What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, from my previous video where I showed you guys exactly how you can earn 500,000 naira monthly as a Bybit P2P merchant, I also promised to show you guys exactly how you can create ads right here on Bybit to actually start up the business. Okay, so guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create ads right here on Bybit as a P2P merchant to actually start your business and start making money each and every single day for yourselves. Okay, so guys, what I actually want from you guys is make sure you actually pay attention to everything I'll be showing you in this video, so you actually get the basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so with that being said, guys, if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space, guys. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay guys, so here we are on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So if you actually missed that video on how I personally earn 500,000 naira monthly as a Bybit P2P merchant here on Bybit, I'm going to be leaving a link to that video at the top right corner of my screen right now. So make sure you click on that link so you actually watch that video to get the full basic information on what that video talks about. Okay, so guys, with that being said, how can you start creating ads as a Bybit P2P merchant? So guys, it's quite easy. What you simply do is, as you can see right here, that is P2P trading. If yours is not showing up right here, all you simply do is hit on the more button right here. Okay, it's going to load up, and yours is going to be showing over here that is P2P trading. So you just simply hit on the P2P trading section right here, guys. Okay, so it's going to load up. Let's give this some time, guys. Okay, so here we are. So right now, guys, how do you start creating ads? So first of all, you need to have some amount of money in your bank account. Okay, you need to have your capital for trading on your bank account. So let's see, a very good capital to start trading right here as a P2P merchant on Bybit should be around 200 USDT and above. Okay, so 200 USDT when converted to the Nigerian naira currently should be around 297,000 naira. Okay, so that amount of money as a Nigerian is a very good amount of money to start trading as a P2P merchant right here on Bybit. Okay, and if you're actually on other countries, just simply convert 200 USDT to your local currency and know how much you need to have. Okay, so when that money is actually available on your bank account, the next step would be coming over to the P2P section, just like I've done a while ago, and then down below here that says ads, you just simply hit on ads, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. Here we are, guys. So while you are here, all you simply do is you can simply hit on this plus sign right here, or you can also hit on the post now button down below here. Okay, so I'm going to hit on post now right here, guys. I'm going to hit on it. Here we are, guys. So as you can see right here, this place over here says I want to, and right here says buy or sell. Okay, so guys, remember that the buy right here actually means that you are buying USDT from persons who wants to come sell. Okay, and that is why on the front end, which is this place right here, okay, you actually see buy and sell. Okay, so this here right here is actually the buy section you just saw on the ad creation section a while ago. Okay, so when you actually create a buy ad, you're going to be on the sales section right here. Okay, your ad is going to be listed right here on the sales section because people are coming to sell to you and not to buy from you. Okay, then why on the sales section right here, guys? Okay, on the sales section right here that says sell, when you actually create a sell ad, you're going to be on the front end right here that says buy. Okay, you're going to be on the buy section right here because you are selling your USDT to persons who wants to buy. Okay, who wants to come buy from you. So I hope you understand this concept very well. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the ad section right now. I'm going to hit on post now. Okay, so I hope you understand, the history behind the buy and the sell side. Okay, so now that you actually know about the buy and the sell, so how do you actually create your ad? So guys, it's quite easy. I'm going to be creating a sell ad because I actually want to sell my USDT. As you can see, I currently have about 33.8 USDT on my account right now. So I actually want to sell this USDT. So how do I actually create a sell ad? It's quite easy, guys. So as you can see right here that says coins, the coins I actually have right now is USDT. So let's say you actually have BTC or Ethereum or USDC, you can actually select whatsoever coin you have right here. Okay, so mine is USDT, so I'm going to hit on USDT, and over here that is fiat. My fiat is actually NGN because I'm currently in Nigeria and my local currency is the Nigerian naira. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here and just scroll down to find NGN, guys. Okay, so this is NGN right here, so I'm going to hit on NGN, guys. Okay, so if you're actually not in Nigerian, you can also select your local currency, which is your fiat currency right here, just like I did mine right now. All right, so down here that says pricing settings, you can actually select your pricing method to either fixed price or floating price. Okay, as you can see right here, I prefer using fixed price because it gives you the ability to set your price yourself. Okay, but the floating price actually fluctuates as the market fluctuates, so that's the reason why fixed price is actually much more better, because it actually gives you the ability to set your prices yourself, guys. Okay, as you can see over here says a fixed price does not fluctuate based on market movement, but a floating price fluctuates. So that is the basic reason why you actually need to set it at fixed price, so you actually get to be the one who sets your prices yourself. Okay, so as you can see, this is the current market price right now. It says last traded price NGN/USDT. Reference price is actually 1446.93. Okay, so to actually confirm this price properly, let's actually go over to the front end of the buy and sell section to actually see how much traders are currently selling USDT, guys. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to go back right now. I'm going to hit on this confirm right here. I'm going to go back. Here we are. So as you can see over here, guys, this is the buy section and this is the sell section. Okay, so remember, buy is sell and sell is buy. Okay, so when I'm actually done creating my ad, this is where my ad is going to be, on the buy section right here, because I'm actually selling to persons who wants to come buy. All right, so remember that, guys. Never you forget that. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going to hit on this place over here that says amount, because we're actually trying to know the current amount traders are currently selling their USDT. Okay, I'm going to hit on 5,000 right here and then hit on confirm. All right, so over here that says all payment method, I'm going to hit on it and select bank transfer, guys. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, the current price right now, the current selling price is around 1466.46. Okay, so now that we know the price, guys, we can just simply set our ad a bit lower so people can actually come buy from us instead of this guy right here at the top. Okay, you can just set it to be 1466.45, since this guy right here is actually 46. So when we actually set it to be 1466.45, our ad is going to be at the top right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can actually get much more persons to come buy USDT from you guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go back to the ad section right now. I'm going to hit on ads. Okay, I'm going to hit on post now, guys. All right, so here we are. So guys, I'm going to set all the settings again and then we'll actually proceed. But before I actually start doing that, if you're actually getting value from this video, guys, please don't hesitate to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And as well, if you are just joining us right here on this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button, guys, because a lot more wonderful updates will be coming on this channel pretty soon. Okay, so make sure not to miss out by subscribing and turning on the bell notifications to always get notified each time we actually upload amazing videos like this one you are watching right now, guys. Okay, so with that being said, let's actually proceed right now. So over here, I'm going to set it back to NGN, guys. Okay, NGN. I'm going to hit on NGN, and over here that says fixed price. As you can see, still on fixed price. All right, so over here that says fixed price right now, I'm going to hit on it and set it to be 1466.45. Okay, so remember that other guy's own was 46. Our one is actually 45 to actually be at the top. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to scroll down. So over here that says transaction settings, payment duration, I'm going to hit it and set it to be 15 minutes to actually trade faster and for more people to actually come buy from us. Okay, so down here that says total quantity, I'm going to hit on max. All right, so down below here, your status should be online and not private. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here. It says single transaction limit should be 5,000 naira. Okay, and the max should be 33 USDT is actually let's say 49,000. Okay, 49,000. All right, so that is it. So over here that says requirement for counterparty, you can just simply add a requirement or just leave it that way. Okay, for me, I don't even actually advise you to add a requirement because a lot of traders who are coming to buy USDT from you or sell to you might not meet this requirement right here. Okay, so just leave it that way, and that is it, guys. All right, so I'm going to scroll down, guys. Over here that says payment method, you can actually set your payment method by hitting on manage payment method right here, guys. Okay, and over here says you can only add one account per payment method at a time. You may change it after your ad goes live. Okay, so that is basically what they actually mean. You can actually add just one account right here and change it when your ad goes live. So that is basically how you can do this. So you can just simply add a payment method by hitting on manage payment method right here, and then you can simply add your payment method, guys. Okay, as you can see right here, it is please select up to 5 payment methods. Okay, so mine is already added right here. That's the reason why you can see mine right now. So I'm going to hit on this box right here and then I hit on submit, guys. Okay, so that is it. So as you can see, I already added my payment method right here. Okay, I can also add another payment method by hitting on the manage payment method button again, and boom guys, another one will be added. Okay, you can also remove a payment method by hitting on the remove button right here, as you can see guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can do that. So over here that says remarks, you can just simply write something like, please be fast with your treats. Just something simple. Okay, you don't have to write a lot of stuff right there. And down below here that says confirm, just simply hit on confirm guys. So that is it. So as you can see right now, this is the summary of my ad right here. It says sell USDT 1466.45. The price you have set is higher than 1.35% of the reference price. Please confirm to continue. Okay, so that is basically how it is. As you can see, it says quantity is 33.8 USDT. Transaction fees is 0.0%, guys. Okay, so my limit is currently 5,000 to 49,000, and the payment duration is 15 minutes. My payment method is bank transfer. So that is basically how it is. So down below here that says I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. I'm going to hit on this box right here, and over here that says post now, I'm going to hit on the post now button guys. Okay, so lastly guys, as you can see, it says reminder, the price deviates greatly from the market price, which may limit the potential number of orders. Are you sure you want to post the advertisement? So guys, yes, I'll be posting this. I'm going to hit on the box again and hit on confirm. Okay, so I'm going to enter my phone password right now. So I'm going to pause this video guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so I'm done entering my password. So down below here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on the confirm button. So let's just wait and see how it goes. As you can see right here, it says published successfully. Okay, so down here says, since you are publishing ads with the P2P advertising shared asset service, your funds won't be frozen. However, your ads will be affected under one of the following circumstances. And one right here says, after you transfer asset out of your funding account, one or more of your advertisement will be removed if your available balance is less than the minimum transaction amount per advertisement required. And the second right here says, after an order transaction is complete, one or more of your advertisement will be removed if your available balance is less than the minimum transaction amount per advertisement required. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a warning right here. I'm going to hit on OK. So guys, this is my ad right here. My ad is currently active. Okay, I can actually remove my ad right now if I actually want to remove by hitting on the remove button right here. And also, if I actually want to edit my ad, I can also edit it right here by hitting on edit. That is basically how it is guys. All right, so as you can see, if I actually scroll down my phone right now, someone is currently trying to buy USDT from me. As you can see, P2P order creation, you have a new P2P order. So I'm going to hit on this place right here. I'm going to hit on it guys. Let's just see how it goes. It's currently loading right now. So as you can see, this guy's actually buying 15,000 naira worth of USDT at the price of 1,466.45. Okay, the quantity would be 10.2287 USDT. All right, so this person actually made a payment of 15,000 naira to me right now for the sum of 10 USDT guys. Okay, so I've actually received the payment inside my bank account. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says release guys. Okay, as you can see, it is confirmed that I have received payment from Shidomzim Frederick. I'm going to confirm, and over here that says release now, I'm going to hit on the release now button guys. Okay, I'm going to input my password right now, so I'm going to pause this video guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so I'm done inputting my password. So as you can see right here, it says completed, sold 10.2287 USDT. Okay, so that is basically how you can actually set up your ads, and people will come start buying from you immediately. Okay, so the reason why that guy actually purchased from me was because my ad is actually much more cheaper than this guy's right here. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So as you can see right now, this guy has actually set up his ad to be much more lower, to be 1,466.00, just so he can actually sell much more faster. Okay, so that is it guys. That is basically how you can actually set up your ads to start trading right here as a Bybit P2P merchant, to start making money for yourselves each and every single day. Okay, so make sure you actually watch the video. I showed you how I actually make 500,000 naira. It's going to be at the top right corner of my screen guys. Make sure you watch that video so you actually get more information on how you can start up this business right now to actually start making the most amount of money for yourselves each and every single day, guys. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to actually smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time I upload amazing videos like this one you just watched right now here on YouTube. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, don't hesitate to leave it down below the comment section. And boom, guys, I'm going to be answering all your questions as soon as I actually get to see them. Okay, so guys, thank you all once more for watching this video. Make sure you have a wonderful day. Peace out.